My people. It be your boy, Babs TV. My people, as somewhere down on say, Obi nim ade a o ye no. O ye hu Kennedy Japan. Enya o, Reverend Obofo enya o, ye hu mu nyina. Oba be yobo say you min ma hu se video no enenam social media so bebre platforms so bebre especially Facebook. Obi ni mo se o wakose ka monfo hye no wakwa ide wakwa yi omo atwia
wa de se twa no yo kure me ubi so yo kure me dale na katia tia na chese what do you mean by tia? What do you mean by tia? I'm a president. When you see somewhere behave like you are talking to your co-equal, am I your co-equal? It was Jimmy did a Janet Miss Mamma Semen Concobuano, no Maquabuano. And I will be a name and should be a tall June Teddy Bia, Cycle I'm going to free Jimmy. Me sister Bakubi, because me done him with different person. I tell myself as a different person. I mean, for because soon me done him for essay overall.
Opening soon o Daniel on nipa for essay overall. Meboa. Aden na police for ba becho wo se wo yare o anda no hu nipa for bia antu anwane wo se wo ye angel o ye obofo osoro abofo aden ti na wantu na police for ba becho yentu aso
ena me yiwe ni me yiwe because in short to secretary Jani Petro nam we were them na Jesus ka chem so obi ni me fast na ka onko yi nkrofo na me say no see eja bi say it me damn passion na me lock up na me spirit ni pie na me ye fast call circle
wo se wo da dem na wo spirit pie you wan lock down na spirit pie ko one question police for bar say omo ba be chewo no adentina wanya de adentina o spirit no and defendo one Ghanaian free you can say one Ghanaian the police for chill
because second na fe jam ya me jiji he me hwe na omo ya me mba pa ye ma asole ma na YouTube pe ba kwa na fe na vehicle obedi adanse e na Mr. Freddy Chemensa bi ko yi omo fa na mu se ba ko hwe shabro sa so na rade say we so ka omo fa na Richard Ayulugu no so me ye fast call Richard wo ko yi no afi me se me mba bi ani ho ba me hwe na girl ba ko bi gina ho a e jani so ne be hye no e fa na Jesus Christ so wonye wo ba o ma wa asole ba okoda ki wo de mo sa asole eti yi no
obi Yankopon small bi anase wo soma ne komhyefo na won kan che se ko yi nipa mienu ana nipa miensa obebo omu nyina anya wo pa che se omu a mo hye no de omu nya Yankopon nkrofo ko ni
so e Kristo ni wana me ye fast me wu nsuo ni tista ni ba ne ho so na bi gina ne ncha na me suo ni na me de me sa we fa ne left pa na me ni free ho you nani ba so odi osi baby bra me da wase me fe na me gra he but wonim say me a
what do sell left eso pa and you in free o me boa on sell left pa and o di in free o Reverend Obofo nya we sofa o no wa no de want me anya no he apostle this is the second time and third time a police for achew there be na otumi ye case no that so police station anya Kennedy Japan na mo kwa ye kan say mo kwa pa no chew mo kwa na mo kwa pa no chew Yankopon ahu obi entropa anye big Ghana for bit say ye engine tumuda Ghana for bit say ye engine tumuda Ghana for sabi o kwase afo no mbi no and obey there, obey your home, and this our pa dear. Chia!
Who said chia?
Because Jesus catch me say, or call that keyword mess asole, but we Christian, obo Yesu din. It may ye you man for but omu nim say me.
Deep revelation.
Wow. Masa. Aswa mi ken. Bible said only part what one over no. Jesus Christ will judge you one day in heaven.
Nye Ghana for na mu bebu omo a obi ni mu wa hu Jesus da nipa bia ni wa apart from 2000 years ago omo am hu Jesus no ye num say 21st century obi ani wa hu Jesus da anya Ghana for num bi na mu benya omo abu omo a Ghana for num bi ana mu benya omo abu omo a obi yanto aso.
Please, I came for purpose. I'm here for assignment. When I finish my assignment, I'll go back. So you are talking back to Obinim. Be very careful and extra careful. Because me come here some bonnet kim. Na angels are a washroom in a go.
And the posifo na omo chi wo no. And the who patch say abofo ni na etan posifo no. Nyankopon ta posifo Jesus nyanya mi o. And nye Jesus and the judge obi who nim Jesus me nim Jesus but the whole can
obi born ho by obeja because what can you ho asem
I'm just remembering them. I'm just remembering them.
E be na what me akasa wo dia danse baako so what I say ewurade person you obi angel you rare angel no one for na kopie South Africa one for na kopie like say Malawi na Togo na Nigeria what ni kopie hinfa Ghana
o pa say omo a ubom di Africa di the whole world no nyankopon ni abofo bia wo honom gi Ghana obi ayantro angel bia ni ho a wo in humanity form angel bia ni ho tam na akwanhwefo Moses Noah Abraham Isa Jesus ya kan say Muhammad munina nyankopon ammo bia nka se wo ye obofo da but osuma abofo emo omo so a omo bat say in nipa form omo nti asase so bofo bia ni wa odidi but who didi ebu ato parkers here to aso
obi kwati verse na bofo one table of how can you say that the English is someone's language. I can speak. When I go to school, I can speak. The same to French. When I learn, I can speak. It's true of us. It's true of us.
True.
No. It's someone's language. I can speak. Right now, I can speak. When I learn, I can speak.
And you are speaking.
I'm speaking right now.
Yeah.
Because English is someone's language. When I learn, I can speak. Because I have English Bible and the Tree Bible. Yeah. And
say dear when you learn you can speak and Okoka said the fake is news and I said the fake is news obi jai trono jai kasano ayantro
the different Bible Concordance, Bible Design, Bible Amplify, King James Version, NIV. It's an English Bible. So when I learn the P, I don't understand. I learned it from the English one. So I say because we have P translation and the English translation.
When you learn from the tree one and you don't understand, you learn from the English one. Jimmy. One okay one say o kase bebre a wa no fom. Wo kase bebre a wa no fom. Wa no fom na wa no fom no. Is what I kase say when I learn the tree one and I don't understand, I go to the English. Jimmy.
Etino aya let me use this word. It's not a language and the church will be powerful. No. It's the work. Yeah. It's the work.
Yeah.
Focused attention on the person's work, not the language. The person's language. Forget the language and focus your attention the person's work. Adume kutameno. Masa.
Na woni mi ya wontumi wan kasa police for ba ba che want me an twitwa nje ho e na okofa lawyer work ben wonim sa we ya angel no we ya nyankopon bofo no nyankopon na decide manipa nyankopon etimi manipa yire fi asem nyankopon e na yes ade no ade nti na police for mo ba chechew no wan kasa nyankopon sison mo adwen no mo nsanko ne jet na what why then was small or more son against so be no yiri fi hu aden na wa Kennedy Japan warrior waka seti a bebre one can change Yankopon say was son again one hypocrites
yes, and I don't take madness. I don't take far. I don't take so far minutes. And I meant yes, some
nipa bia kutadom nipa bia kutadom ana nipa bia Nyankopon kasa nipa kasa kire nipa bia de bia ukodi banku bi na se wafukodoa na se oba be da ne wakoda na waba no akasa my father my come share and say obi meme say ayantro jai wonu dwano posi for ba be che okra wantimi anyane wantimi anje ho na yen anase anipa e wogana abusuafo se afi na ubeka akuo nu ho a mesremo aso mon subscribe mame so we new come subscribe mame na share na find more bia what you ase na enko enim na obi ye be expose no and throw na wo twa no Ghana form no wo di wo matem what Ghana for adwen den e school what you ase enti enuanom me church obi
Mami bodundo pa pesa. Mami bodundo pa Mami bodundo pa pesa. Mami bodundo pa Mami bodundo pa pesa. Mami bodundo